Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, July 13th. All pretty quiet ahead of this key inflation reading coming up this morning at 8:30. We'll get June CPI. All quiet, as I said, as far as futures go ahead of this reading. We are positive on the morning here, heading towards 8:30. 0.5% here for the NASDAQ, leading the way right now. 0.4 for the S&P, the Dow 0.3 currently back in positive territory. Crude oil back in positive territory after what happened yesterday, a monster move to the downside. It was more than 8% to the downside at the end of the day. 2% for Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. Back in positive territory, 3.2% on the day after that late day sell-off yesterday. Yeah, it's all quiet ahead of CPI coming at 8:30 this morning. We're watching Apple shares as well. Not one, but two separate price target cuts on Apple this morning. Citigroup and Barclays, both to the downside. Unity with an all-stock deal, picking up another smaller software firm, IronSource. We'll talk about that coming up. Unity under significant pressure here in the pre-market on that. They also cut their full-year revenue forecast as well. Delta, on the other hand, missing on their profit for their current quarter, and also talking a little bit more cautiously than expected as far as their forecast is concerned. We'll have a look at Delta. We'll have a look at Twitter coming up here as well. Twitter back on watch to the upside. Yeah, huge move yesterday, back higher, 4%. Twitter suing Elon Musk, obviously, over this deal, or lack of a deal potentially on Elon's part. So we'll see what happens with Twitter today. Stitch Fix higher. Snap is higher on a new NFT product for Snapchat this morning. We'll have a look at both of those. Grab the watch list, guys, on its way out to you right now. We'll see you shortly for CPI coming up on an important Wednesday on TraderTV.Live.